Hi everyone, my name is Marilyn Montenegro and welcome to Marilyn Styles. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some special beauty products that I am going to be trying for the first time. I'm also going to show you how I prepare my face and put makeup every day. It's my everyday look and hopefully I finish it in 5 minutes. Sometimes maybe a little over 5 minutes, but I like it to be very quick because I don't really have much time to prepare during the day and I like to keep a simple face on. So let's begin. First of all, I got this. It's the Prairie Micellar Water. Prairie is a brand from Switzerland, and what Micellar Water does is it preps and it moisturizes the face. It also can clean the face of the makeup at the end of the day. I'm not gonna use cotton, but instead I am just gonna tap with my fingers just to sort of prep, right? After applying micellar water, I always put sunblock. As you can see, this is my bare face. I have dark circles. I don't have anything on right now, and I do have natural freckles. I don't have lots of lines or wrinkles, and I don't have blemishes and zits, but I have natural pigmentation, so I protect my skin by using sunblock. My dermatologist told me to be generous about sunblock and to reapply, and so that's what I do. With a clean face, I put the sunblock on. Hi, Sabi. That's my daughter, Sabi. Okay, now you can leave Mama to finish the video, okay? There, I now have the sunblock on. After sunblock, I apply concealer to conceal these horrible dark circles. So I put them around my eyes, and then I'm gonna blend it later. I also like to put a little bit of concealer here on the sides of my nose because I have some red spots there. So I don't drag, instead I pat to blend the concealer. It's important to use the correct color when blending your concealer. Let me just check with the mirror to make sure everything is well blended. After the concealer comes the fun part. I got this in the mail and we are going to test the Prairie Skin Caviar powder. It's translucent skin caviar loose powder. Look at the packaging. It's really beautiful. When you open it, that's what it looks like, and you can actually use the mirror as well. I love these sponges. I remember when makeup artists used to do my face when I was modeling, this was my favorite part. It felt so soft and I just loved how these poof sponges or puffs feel on my skin. I'm opening the translucent powder and simply taking the sticker foil away. And then it comes with a knob that you can push up and down, and that opens the container inside so that you can get some loose powder out. So I'm gonna turn it upside down and just get some loose powder. And there's some on my face right now. You can already see how it's evening out my skin tone, right? Looks really great and it smells good also. What I wanted to show you is that it also came with this little mini translucent powder container that I can bring with me on the go. It's just a tiny version of the big one. If I want to touch up during the day, I can use this, which is the Prairie Skin Caviar Foundation. So I think it's actually heavier than the translucent powder. And look at what happens. Look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. So let's try a little bit, just to see. There, this one is not translucent. It has some color. And yeah, just apply a little bit so that I can show you. So after I put the powder, I am actually going on to the next step that I usually do, which is put on some blush, just to give it a little bit of color, give my face a little bit of color. And then I also sweep my eyelids with some neutral eyeshadow. Apply eyeliner. After the eyeliner, I simply use mascara. So I'm gonna use this beautiful compact powder and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes.